Hello friends, good morning. Myself Pranjali Shah, Derivative Analyst at Edelweiss Financial Advisor Limited, Ahmedabad. June series is beginning on relatively lighter note in comparison with the last series. Leverage positions are mildly lower in value terms at rupees 92,164 crore versus rupees 97,658 crore at the beginning of May series. Rollover to June series are lower in case of Nifty, where 60% positions have been rollover to the June series as against 69% rollover last month, and last 3 months average rollover is of 68%. Overall rollover were at 85%, which is in line with the last series, and last 3 months average rollover of 84%. In value terms, Nifty open interest at the beginning of new series is rupees 62,146 crore versus rupees 63,495 crore, about 2.12% lower than the previous series. Stock future open interest at the beginning of the series is rupees 28,353 crore, which is down by 12.5% as against rupees 32,400 crore at the beginning of the last series. Volatility index moved down by about 8.32% through previous series, now at 19.18 versus 20.92 at the beginning of previous series. Sectors like telecom and sugar witness higher rollover of 87% each, whereas lower rollover were observed in the sectors like pharma and auto, which is at 70% and 75% respectively. FII's rollover in index future were lower at 59% as against 70% at the beginning of last series. Defensive sector like pharma have witnessed rollover of 70%, which is lower than the previous month's rollover of 82% and 3 months average rollover of 81%. And FMCG have witnessed rollover of 82%, which is also lower than the previous month's rollover of 84% and 3 months average rollover of 80%. Auto, banking and finance, media, technology are the sector which witnessed lower rollover of 75%, 77%, 79% and 76% respectively in comparison with the previous month, suggestive of cautious approach by players on these sectors. Engineering, cement and oil and gas sector have witnessed significantly higher rollover in comparison with the previous month. Higher open interest in Nifty option segment. June series is starting on significantly higher. Nifty open interest of 8.93 crore share as against 8.42 crore shares in May 2011, which is about 6.06% higher. Sharp jump in option open interest is indicative of skepticism among players about the near-term trend. Concentration of open interest is observed to be more at Nifty 5300 puts and Nifty 5400 and 5600 calls, suggesting market would be trading broadly in the range of 5300 to 5600 for Nifty at the start of the June series. This suggests a recent low of 5300 may act as a very strong support for Nifty in the near term. Going by option distribution pattern, hurdle on upside is seen around 5420 level of Nifty. Outlook for the June series. Series may see markets recovering as concern over rising crude price, inflation worries, selling pressure from FII and negative news flow. May series started with negative bias and remain in the red right through the series as selling gain momentum as the series progressed. A modest recovery during the middle of the series notwithstanding. Nifty plunged 6.45% and closed the series at 5412. June series is beginning with comparatively lower open interest in value terms at rupees 92,164 crore. In quantitative terms too, new series is beginning with about 4.44% lower open interest than the previous series. Jump in index rollover through options are suggestive of cautious approach among the players about the near term. lower rollover in Nifty, which is 60% versus 69% in previous series, accompanied by discount of 22 points, indicative unwillingness of market player to carry their long position in the Nifty to the June series. This will have overhang on market during the series. Markets being oversold now, lower levels are likely to attract value buying. However, pullback are unlikely to translate into big meaningful rallies. To conclude, in the early part of the series, we may see markets recovering as positions are light as compared to the last few series. However, considering the call writing at 5600 level, FII's selling and prevailing negative sentiment in market indicated by the lower conviction among the market player to roll over their long position, any rally to 5500 and 5600 should be utilized to reduce long positions rather than building aggressive positions. Thank you. Have a fabulous trading series ahead, and we hope that all of you earn good profits.